Here is a 36-inch Hampton Bay Minuet 3 ceiling fan. I installed this ceiling fan in my garage yesterday. Put it in the middle area. And as you can see, the down rod is a different finish. I had to use my 6-inch down rod from my Minuet 2 in order for the blades to not hit this box right here. I did try it on its original down rod, which I have right here, but that was too high up. So I had to use the 6-inch down rod from my Minuet 2. Anyway, so unlike the first two generations of the Minuet, this one is 36 inches. First two generations being only 32 inches. Another difference is this ceiling fan is not made by SMC like the first two were. One of the really easy ways to tell is because it does not have the blade ends with a little lump on it. It just has the partly rounded blade ends. It's got reversible rainbow blades and white blades. It's got pink, orange, red, green, yellow, and blue. So 6 blades. And the light kit can be removed, like on the first Minuet. I mean, it can be removed on the second Minuet, but you just have an extra chain there. So it's a pretty good ceiling fan. It does look kind of basic, but anyway, let's turn it on. There's the light. And here is low. It's got kind of a long fan chain, to be honest. Like, the chain itself comes down to about here, and then you got the Hampton Bay pole on it. Yeah, it's pretty long. Don't know why they did that, but it's fine. There's medium. And high. It does wobble a little bit. Not sure if you can actually see it wobbling. I just think it looks really cool with the rainbow blades spinning around, especially with the light on. And back off. Stop it real quick. There we go. And I normally don't do this with ceiling fans, but I'll reverse it. And yeah, that's just about it. This is a 36-inch Hampton Bay Minuet 3 ceiling fan. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.